What's with the typewriter?
You ever heard of a typewriter virus?
No.
Exactly. And you are?
Rebecca Harper. We've actually met before, plus we see each other every day.
I only remember important people. The name's Cody Herman, but my friends call me the Herman.
Okay, Herman. I was thinking that maybe you and I could work together as peer editors.
I'm marginally listening.
I could look over your articles, give you suggestions, and you could look over mine.
Peer editors, huh? Looks like someone's trying to form an alliance. So they don't get voted off.
You can get voted off?
That was a joke. You want to work together? Fine, I guess. I mean, I can't blame you for wanting to work with the Herman.
Cool. So here's my...
Zub, 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 zub. Oh, P.U. Zub, 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 zub. Ouch. You were right, Rebex. This needs a lot of work. It's a good thing you came to me.